Hello friends, it's Obhirup here and you are watching Wandering Minds debate session. Today we will be discussing about an enthusiastic topic. It's do we need an alternate for exam? Now I and Boivasotto will be in the agree side and Agnik and
I will
our
be with
special
Shoykot.
Mandam Shoykot.
again
My name is Shoykot.
I and Agnik and Shoykot will be in the against side.
So, ready?
Yes.
Let's start.
So,
Boivasotto, start.
Ovidu will tell the first. Yeah.
Point,
Ovidu will
okay, tell.
okay, Khata ready kor sob.
English session.
Okay, take out the notebooks.
Ovidu,
It might
tell.
exams make students study for exams only and they does not get the actual knowledge they need.
What do you mean? Exams are very important for everyone. If we don't give exams, we won't
Can I speak?
get admission to proper colleges.
Can I speak?
Yeah.
So basically your problem is that people don't study for the exams only. Well, that's the students' fault, not the exams. So you can't blame exams on that.
Your turn.
Well, what we mean is that students exams are based on students. Students give the exam and exams are related to students. So now, students study for the exams and they do not get the knowledge that they need. After an examination, they forget the knowledge that they had gathered.
Not all students forget everything they had learned. There are some few students who forget about everything they have learned. And
It's not
another
few,
thing,
it's a huge
if
number.
you don't give exam in any test, in any entrance, then how will anyone know that what is your ability?
That's what
And
we
how
are
will you get
telling.
proper job?
We are not wanting that हम exam नहीं करेंगे. We are saying that alternate for exams.
Well, we are
The
saying that
alternative way of exams. Like
we are saying
MCQ,
that-
CCE ways of tests,
yeah,
online
for
tests.
every chapter, so that the knowledge they can get. And
Online tests.
well, and there is
And taking
Online
alternative
test.
forms of examinations, it can turn out to be rather beneficial for a student. It can improve his or her
Okay.
academics as well as curriculums.
Okay. So can you tell me why are you thinking to take anything alternative instead of exams?
well, see, there are
Because-
several times. Sometimes it happens that a student, suppose a student falls ill before the exam, and he can't study for the examination and gets scores bad marks. So then he will get, but he is good in studies, but he couldn't get good marks.
I object. There are application for retest. There are application for retest. He or she must take a retest application.
Okay then. So I'm sorry. Can you please just like Agni? Can you repeat all the points they just said?
They told that we must have online exams. So instead, anything saying alternative instead of exam, not exams, but anything alternative instead of exams, because if anyone, any student are ill or he or she is good in studies, then they should have alternative instead of exam. But I object and say, I am saying that you must
Yeah,
apply for retest.
yeah, I also agree that retests actually are a thing, so you should actually use that. Actually, let me tell you something. I once broke my foot at grade 5, but I still did not do the exam. So that's the thing.
Hmm. Your turn, team Boivashada.
Wait a second, Agni, does our team has a name?
Are, will you be saying something, Boivashatta, or I will be saying?
Wait.
I know. You can call us not Team Boibasoto.
Yeah.
So will I be telling?
Yeah, tell.
Yeah,
Tell.
yeah, please.
Sometimes we see that when we take examinations or the examination pressure is in our mind, it leads to mental stress. Like we don't know what to do, like we feel to do nothing else. Thoughts go weird, negative thoughts rush our mind, and this may lead to a depression of rank saving. Like I have to save my rank in the boards. But by taking alternative form of examinations, student can be provided a better way to improve themselves and their mental stress will be reduced alternatively.
But what to do? Yeah, students are forced to take that mental stress. If they don't take such mental stress, they won't get a proper career. Never. If they
Yeah,
go
man.
to, if they apply
If
to any good colleges, 1 minute. If they apply to any good colleges, they will say, "Oh, passed from this year. No, we won't take you.
This year,
okay, may I speak?
This year,
yes,
COVID,
Okay,
COVID."
so what I was trying to say is that if we create a alternate for exams, the upcoming generations will start to think that that is really stressful and we have to change that. Listen, if we create an alternative, that does not mean that it will not become less stressful. It's still going to carry the most stress as it already did. I mean, imagine what was before we have to do now. Do those people find it stressful? Yes. They thought that people don't find it stressful. But look at where we are right now.
Yeah, I agree with you.
Yeah, please continue.
Now your turn, Team Boiba.
Yeah.
please, Boiba, now tell a point.
I think it's your pet dog, Boiba Shatu.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe he has a point.
Now,
Well, by taking examinations, for taking examinations, a lot of paper is needed to print the question paper and the answer sheet. This leads to a wastage of paper. While if we take online test and MCQ based test, then this wastage can be reduced.
counter, please.
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Counterpoint.
Yeah, we're
Targeting having
thinking.
a connectivity is yeah.
Oh, he's disconnected.
Yeah, no voice is connected.
Well, okay, wait. Agni is having a problem.
Okay. I don't know if it will be valid or not, but you can recycle paper. So it's not like we are wasting paper.
Yeah, paper recycling can be done. That is a useful way, but we can reduce the paper. Well, recycling of paper is always a way, but the trees that we have lost in making the paper can't be returned.
Well, maybe that's also something that schools should start adapting, recycling paper, and even if the quantity becomes less, they can start producing more paper. So paper wastage becomes lesser and lesser. You know,
Yeah.
Now let us talk about a topic that I am representing. Let's for example take a developing country like India. Here lots and lots of unemployed are giving examinations like banking examinations, then job examinations. If alternative forms of examinations are taken, it will be more easier to check in the answer sheets of the people, of the millions of people who are giving the examinations. Because by taking alternative examinations like online tests, a well-programmed computer is able to count the marks, and it will be more easy and save many invigilators time.
yes. But here's the thing: humans cannot flaw, but computer programs can actually make mistakes. Like, have you seen that one picture of "Are you over 18 years old?" That one guy clicked yes. If you're over 18, please state why. So that's what I was talking about. It can actually flaw a bit, but human may take less time, but it won't flaw. So if it's like a computer correcting everything, it can be like one student. It has a technical difficulty. It does not correct a mass number of students, and students are not happy. World destruction. So that's what I was saying. It's not wise to leave important stuff to be dealt with a computer. If you know that it's not going to function incorrectly, you can, but it's not wise if it's experimental. Also, Agnik, have you disconnected? Okay, then I think he has.
Can he now listen to us?
Yeah, I can listen to you people.
So why were you
I
quiet?
got disconnected. Sorry.
Very badly.
Acha, team boy, your turn. Speak.
I had to carry the debate, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, nice. Yeah, your turn. Speak.
Um,
Team boy, speak.
yeah, wait.
Waiting.
Your voice is allowed to be heard.
Well, in this COVID time, it is impossible for schools to arrange benches following the rule of social distancing, and the vast number of students won't fit in, and so the only option we have is online MCQ based test, and there is no option of taking normal
I
tests.
object to you, boy. 12 board examinations and the 10 board examinations of CBSE are being taken in July.
Yeah,
How
but
did you know that it's final? How did you know that it's
yeah, it
final?
is not.
That they are taking it? You
জুলাই
know the
হতে আর
present
কতদিন বাকি বল?
position.
জুলাই হতে আর 1 মাস বাকি।
You know the
English.
present position of India now in this situation. How many cases it has got. How can they take an examination in this
Yeah,
situation?
but they can call a few students. Tell them to wear masks and keep sanitizer in their pockets, maintain social distancing, and write their tests.
Yeah, we have to make sure that those students are healthy.
But yeah, that is always a solution. But taking online examinations can reduce. There is no need of doing such a thing when we have such unique communication based. We can do this online test. Then what is the need?
If we take online tests, students will be more addicted to social media. They will be more addicted to computer, mobile. They will not be able to keep their contact with the real world.
And
Am
there
I right,
and there,
Shaikot?
yeah, and there's also the possibility of somebody cheating. Like, somebody can like open up another mobile or print out a piece of paper and look at it. And nobody in home is going to object because the teacher is not inspecting them. So it will be like a more wiser challenge to put them on the spot in the classroom.
Yes, it's always a point, but what I am saying is in a school which has a large number of students like ours will cannot manage seats like that. That's the problem where
Hmm.
and the online tests are really shorter and again disconnection.
Oh,
Now wait for Augie.
okay. So
All
will we tell our next point?
or we can
Because
just wait.
we have time is running out. We have only 8
Oh,
minutes left.
okay then.
Yeah.
All right.
If we look at Finland, they do not have any examinations. Examinations only they have one voluntary examination, but still their education system is considered as best, and their students are really good in academics, but they do not have any examinations. So
Alternative of examinations can be beneficial.
yeah, Agni has
Uh,
Some went in and went counter please.
well, I think that the educational system varies from place to place. Like in Finland, it's more soft. In Sweden, it's like, more student based. In India, it's more of a like, I rule you and you have to obey me.
Yeah. Now, team Borbashato speak.
That
now.
it's not.
Not only in Finland, in India also there was a system called CCE of CBSE where they had exam where the examination was divided into four, um, and they did not have any large test of that sort, and uh, for every at the end of every chapter they had um, uh, short question based examinations, and in that way it was conducted, but it was stopped due to uh, the teachers and the students could not cope with that.
Yeah.
That's what we are trying to say, that the student could not cope with that. They
So
will
they did
have
not
to give
disconnect.
exams. They will have to give boards.
We can also talk about the 12th and the joints. After one gives the examination of the 12th, they had to alternatively give joints. Now, what should the students do? Will they prepare for 12th examination or for the joint? If one prepares for the joint, the 12 examinations are not good. And if one prepare for 12th, the examination of joints are not good. If any of the examination is
After one pass out
alternative
12, then he will prepare. Then he can prepare for joint. After passing out 12, he or she can prepare for joint. There's a lots of time between 12 and joint. See our example, Angikar Ghoshal ranked 161 in joint entrance. He had given the 12 boards.
So what? It's not enough for the prepare. It's not enough for the days that you are saying enough. Might not be enough for one.
Okay, but
It's give
joint
only a
entrance
time of
examinations are
one.
held. Hello.
Only a time of
Joint
1
entrance
month is given.
entrance examinations are held every year. So he or she can surely give the exam next year. He can take 1 year to prepare.
Then when he will be admitted in the college, he will be 1 year late.
So what?
Yeah, but the thing is that even if you're 1 year late, you still have the education as everybody else. Like if you go into the college and they don't look at your exams, they will think that you're at least above than a beginner level. Let's say you're applying for, Java programming at a company, and you apply, they don't look at your worksheet, they let you in, you work for some days, and you don't actually know Java. You might know like a few lines in Python, but you don't know Java. So what will you do? You get fired, it will be more difficult to look for another job, you don't feed your family quite quite well, and then you die a bad death. So yeah, is that better than waiting just 1 more year? Tell me that.
Yeah, I think it's better.
Huh?
Waiting a year. We
Yeah,
will be
no,
able to prepare the entire year. We will be able to prepare the entire year
yeah,
and
yeah,
can score best in joint entrance.
yeah, what he said.
Now, if we
Now, what
consider
do you want to say?
if we
Tell.
consider about India, then our examinations are based on the textbook, and people just mug up the textbook and they do not have any.
No. No, if you want, you can use the language of your own, but you will have to keep it correct. And
Yeah,
there are some students who does not, who use false languages. They do not enter
not
grammar. They
only
have
not about
grammatical
language.
mistakes.
If we have examinations on every chapter, then we can have some like extra knowledge. If they get a time for a annual examination, they have to study at least a month. Now, if they have examination for every chapter, then they don't have to study so much for 1 month to prepare for the annual large examination, and they can
But
study.
aren't they studying? Aren't they preparing? We will have to take it that way. আমাদেরকে ব্যাপারটাকে সেরকম ভাবেই নিতে হবে।
May I speak?
Yes,
Yeah.
of course.
Yeah, so what I was saying is that your point makes an assumption that students are not naturally curious about these things. Like somebody can be interested in science, somebody can be interested in politics, somebody maths. Nobody cares. Everybody has likes and dislikes, but that does not mean that somebody should spend more time on their dislikes. So if you get like a bit less marks in your exams, it's not something to be ashamed of. You can work hard to improve yourself or cry, but it's not something
Yeah,
to be ashamed.
yeah, that is well. If we have examinations for every chapter, then then the teacher can understand what a student likes, what their focus is on.
Yeah.
But there are different streams, after 10. Someone likes science, someone likes arts, and some commerce. If we don't give exam So how will the teachers understand? How will the board understand that who is able for arts, who is able for science, and who
Yeah,
is
that
able for
is
commerce?
so.
Anyone
If
can
we
go to any line.
Yes,
if we
we
have
are
if we
saying
have
that they will give exams. They will give an alternative way of exams.
they will give examinations
Okay,
for every
alternative way
chapter.
of exam, such as give example. Alternative way of exam. Give example. What alternative way?
Online test, MCQ tests,
Yeah, for every
this type
chapter.
of
Well, we
exams.
Online
have
test, institute test. They can search Google. They can search Google and give the exam. They can cheat.
How? That's the question. How
Um,
can
well,
they,
they
they
do
can
this?